Binance Binance. And with that, I'll turn the floor over to Deputy Attorney General Monaco.
Our favorite Champagne Zhao aka CZ is leaving Binance. The new CEO of Binance is going to be Richard Teng. As you know from our free Telegram news channel, Binance is experiencing $1 billion in outflows, and this is exactly what we needed. Exactly yesterday I told you that the Bitcoin price needs to revisit this ascending trend line of our symmetrical triangle. As you can see, this is exactly what happened. We got that retest, we got that more fuel, and now we can continue in consolidation inside of the symmetrical triangle and potentially break out. However, there might be some scenarios which can affect the price action. So if you want to know what is going to happen in this market next, again with the highest probabilities, make sure you are watching right now. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from MyCryptoParadise. So in the yesterday video I have not been only showing you this symmetrical triangle, I have also told you that we need to retest this descending trend line right here, and this is exactly what happened as well. As you can see, this is the trend line, we got that retest right here, and now we are ready for consolidation and for the last third touch of that 38,000 resistance. And as you know from our previous video already, on the third touch we expect that resistance to be broken to the upside, and then we will target that sweet spot of $43,000. In this video I will be talking about some great opportunities that come from this fear about Binance, and I will tell you why this correction is actually great for the market. So as you know from the technical spectrum, we need to gather enough liquidity, so then there is enough power for the whales to push towards our $38,000 resistance, and the breakout is indeed successful. What is happening right now? As you can see from yesterday, the funding rates changed perfectly. Right now we have loads of green, there is loads of negative funding out there. It's caused because of that Binance news which came at the right spot. This was absolutely amazing because we have been at the top of this descending trend line, and then they pushed the news into the markets, and they have just created this higher low, right? So this was our low, this is our higher low right now, and we are trading absolutely wonderfully inside of this symmetrical triangle. So as you know, if you are watching us, if you are reading our free Telegram channel, the news never matters. The news never matters. Everything you can read from the charts, you can everything get from the insights of sentiment and on-chain data. Right now when I'm talking about the sentiment, I've been also showing you this graph right here. I've been talking that the excitement is there, but the price is not going to the upside, and that is bad, right? So the distribution on lower time frame was happening, and whales basically been pushing that sell button, right? So then after they pushed the news, the market dumped, the whales made profit, and right now the sentiment is again at the levels we saw around $27,000. So the whales are able to start buying again, and this is exactly what is happening. On a medium time frame right now, on a 4-hour time frame, what is important, let me share with you this major lower time frame support. This was previously a resistance, then we shifted already into a support, and right now we are overcoming that support one more time, and we will confirm it once a 4-hour candle is closed above this support. Once it's closed above this support, we can confidently revisit this descending upper trend line right here. Then I expect that there will need to be one more push down, maybe even a fake out, and then we will have enough volume to break through that $38,000 resistance. That is going to be the third touch, and as you know from yesterday video, the third try is the charm. This resistance is going already quite weak, and on a third touch I'm quite positive that this is going to be the breakout attempt, and we will go to the highs, to the $43,000, as you know from our previous videos. That is going to be our medium time frame target. So if you are playing it safe, you can make loads of money on Bitcoin, but right now if you take a look at our Bitcoin dominance chart, you know, if you are watching these videos, that we are at this huge resistance right here, right? This is not only a structural resistance, this is also a Fibonacci retracement zone, and we are expecting a push down around 16%. So this is going to be a really good for altcoins. And as you can see right here, what is happening right now with the money flow after some crash, it's really important to watch what is going in that recovery, what is happening in the recovery with the money. And you can see right here that the Bitcoin dominance is actually slowing down, it's dropping, but the others D, which is a dominance of altcoins basically, is going to the upside. So where the fresh money is going, the whales are buying altcoins right now, correct? So from a pure price action spectrum, you can see that right now we are at resistance in Bitcoin dominance, and when I switch to others D, which is basically market cap exclude Bitcoin and Ethereum, so basically only market cap of altcoins, you can see that we have just confirmed this support zone. We have been overcoming this support zone, which was previously working as a resistance, as you can see right here. Then we had a smaller correction, and now we broke through that previous resistance, and now by retesting that, we have confirmed this support to be working, and we are ready to revisit 14% resistance, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is about, let me calculate that, about 20% higher. So that kind of works together as well, right? So Bitcoin dominance we expect around 16% drop, and the others is about to push higher, about 20%. So that's very nice confluence right here, and it means that we are expecting altcoins to do very well in the near future, right? And especially the altcoins that can benefit from the fear of leaving money on the Binance exchange. Right now we are looking at SFP. This is safe pool token. This is basically token of a hardware and also software wallet. So basically you own the keys, you can buy the crypto there, and you own the crypto because you have your own keys, right? So this is a great token that can benefit from the fear which is surrounding Binance and exchanges right now. And as you can see, since around June 2022, so more than a year already, we are being in a huge consolidation, right? So if I basically put this box right here, I'm not counting these wicks right here, this is just a deviation, but you can see that it's perfectly working as a support in the past, and then it have been working as a resistance, right? You can see these highs right here, and the bottom of this consolidation zone is working as a support. So I can basically turn this into a green box right here, and as you can see, just recently we have overcame this box, right? And now we are retesting it. So basically we had broke above it, we have made a higher high because this was our previous high. Now we have made another higher high, and now we are retesting this box, and as you can see on a lower time frames it would be better visible, but we are already making an impulsive move to the upside from this box. So we can actually understand that this box is already reclaimed, and right now we can start pushing to the upside. And why I'm so confident about this, it's not just because this consolidation box just got broken to the upside, but I can share with you that we are also forming a hidden bullish divergence on stock RSI. So let me show you this. As you have seen, we are making higher highs on the price, right? We are making higher highs, and also we are making higher lows, right? So this was our previous lows, and now we are making another higher low. So the indicator, which is stock RSI right here, however, is not making higher highs. As you can see right here, it is the previous low. I will circle it right here, and as you can see, this was the previous low as well. And here we are making a lower low right here, and here on the price we are making a higher low. So if you are reading our blog, you can see that this is a hidden bullish divergence setup, so it is perfectly working in a confluence with our technical analysis, with this breakout above this year long consolidation range, and basically the probabilities of this being a bullish setup is increasing. And also, of course, we are working with the whole sentiment of the market, and as you know already, the sentiment of the whole market regarding altcoins is bullish, right? So right now that we know that the probabilities for this token are favoring the bullish side, what are the targets? So as you can see already here, I have placed some Fibonacci retracement levels, and I have put that tool to the previous high before we started to consolidate, and I have put the other point, the other dot of that Fibonacci retracement level to the previous local low, right? So right now we have this zone right here. I will make a box of it right here. I will make it red because it will be working as a resistance, and we have a second zone right here, right? So I will put the second box right here, and we can see that from the current market price, which is around 0.6408, towards our resistance zones right here, to the highest one it's around 170% profit. To the first resistance, which is going to be working as a medium time frame resistance, it's a 63% profit. But you definitely want to be buying rather than high right here in a fear of missing out, low right here if you know how to work with technical analysis and fundamental on-chain, etc., right? This basically gives you the odds. So right now what we are expecting, and we are positioning ourselves with Paradise Family VIP strategically, not only in these absolute top games as SFP but also in other altcoins. But right now from the SFP we are expecting this to be continuing in a bullish price action, so we will be making some higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and now we are expecting the medium time frame resistance to be here at $1, almost $1. All right, so that is 60% higher from the current market price. SFP, a beautiful token. It's not really looking good on a technical side, but this is also a great project. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will be updating you about Bitcoin. I will be updating you about SFP token in the future, so make sure that you have this subscription button clicked. Make sure that you have the notification bell on if you want to maximize your profits in this market. I will see you in Paradise Family VIP, and see you next time.